Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, it's a privilege to speak on behalf of France. I would like to warmly thank Nargis Naim and Farah Ghair for organizing this event and allowing the CSW to be also a platform for Afghan women and girls. Since the Taliban seized power in Afghanistan on August the 15th, 2021, the regime in power has made the disappearance of women and girls from the public sphere and the systematic suppression of their most basic rights a key priority of its governance. As soon as Kabul was taken by force on August 2021, France made a commitment that the international community would set clear conditions for the normalization of relations with the Taliban regime, and that respect for women's rights would be the first of these conditions. France remains firm towards the Taliban and does not recognize the legitimacy of its government, while reaffirming its solidarity and providing its support to the Afghan population and, in particular, to women and girls. France condemns the systematic violation of women's and girls' rights by the Taliban. France does not compromise on the rights of Afghan girls and women. It condemns the Taliban's vice and virtue law of August 2024, which is a further illustration of the systematic assault on women and girls. On December the 5th, it condemned in the strongest possible terms the Taliban's ban of Afghan women attending medical schools. France voted in favor of UNSC Resolution 2681, sponsored by over 90 states, which condemns the Taliban's decisions to ban Afghan women from working for the United Nations in Afghanistan. France ensures that references to women's rights are included in every resolution on Afghanistan. True to its long-standing commitment to fighting impunity, France has joined 5 other countries in referring the situation of women's and girls' rights in Afghanistan to the ICC. The creation of a mechanism to investigate the human rights situation in Afghanistan, as called for by civil society organizations, would be a major step forward. The EU is coordinating its position with a possible view to the 60th session of the Human Rights Council in September 2025. France also continues to support the Afghan population through concrete humanitarian projects. On the occasion of the World Refugee Forum 2023, France contributed to launch of an initiative avec elle to support refugee women in their journey into exile. It also launched the Femmes en Danger program, which has already enabled to resettlement in France of 300 vulnerable Afghan women whose rights and safety were directly threatened. We will continue our efforts to welcome more women in 2025. We know that Afghan women are not victims, but warriors, leaders, and you can count on France's support. Depriving Afghan women from their voices and rights is depriving half of humanity from their voices and rights. We won't remain silent. Thank you.